Okay, boys and girls, when I touch underneath the spelling, I want you to figure out the sound in your head. When I tap underneath the sound, I want you to say the sound. And then when I move my finger to the left of the word, I want you to read the word. Okay? Are you ready to go? I'll model 2 for you, okay? My turn. Sound, oi. Word, soil. Sound, word, loan. Your turn. Sound, word, sound, word, sound, word, good. Sound, word, sound, word, sound, word, good. Sound, word, good. Sound, word, long sound, sound, word. Great job, guys. Proud of you.